Hello, Mr. Pontow's class. I so sorry about that. They're being very unprofessional in the background. Hello, Mr. Pontow's class. I'm going to be teaching you how to do the molecular geometry color by number. We are going to be looking at this. So number 1, you're going to have to draw the correct Lewis structure. Number 2, identify if it's polar or nonpolar. And then 3, the correct orientation and molecular geometry. So if we take CBr-ClH, okay, so we're gonna make the Lewis structure. You first have to calculate how many electrons there are. So Br and Cl are both 7. They both have 7 valence electrons, and there's 3 of them. So it'd be 21 plus carbon, which is 4, plus hydrogen, which is 1. So we'd have 26 electrons in total. And now carbon's gonna go in the middle. Let's see, L, and then bromine and hydrogen. So since we have 26 electrons, we have enough to fill the shells. And if you count it up, we have 6 times 3 is 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So this would be the correct structure for CBr-Cl2H. I don't know what the compound is, but it doesn't matter. Anyway, we're gonna find out if it's polar or nonpolar. So the orientation, you can see there's 4 bonds, no lone pairs. So it'd be tetrahedral. And if you've been studying and you know how to do the molecular geometry, you'd also know that it is tetrahedral. Okay, so we have our Lewis structure, we have our correct orientation and molecular geometry. Now we have to figure out if it's polar or nonpolar, and we can do this by finding the symmetry. So as you can see, the hydrogen does not have the electrons like Cl and Br because it only needs 2 to fill the hydrogen shell. So this would be asymmetrical, meaning that this would not look the same. It would be more carbon, and then Br, Cl, Cl, and then H. So this would not be symmetrical, which means it's polar. Now, with our answers here, we can correctly figure out what color we color this in. So it was tetrahedral polar, so this one would be purple. And I just gave you one of the answers. So you have one less to do, but make sure you show your work and you correctly put the geometry and the orientation. Thank you.